My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of cases in my life. I worked for the IRS for 10 long years, really long years. I did work the offer and compromise program. I'm a national expert in the offer. So thank you for listening today. I've been on the national news many times. Go to my website and you'll learn all about me there at 777irs.com. I used to accept and deny offers with a pen. I'd accept your offer, and with a pen, I would deny your offer. So, how much should an offer and compromise cost? I get this all the time. And first of all, people ask me right off the phone, how much should an offer and compromise cost? First of all, don't do that. Don't ever just ask someone right off the bat how much should an offer and compromise cost, because there's a lot to that. I have to know a couple things first. Have you filed all your tax returns? I'm not going to accept your offer and compromise unless your returns are filed. Are you making estimate payments if you're self-employed? If you're not making estimate payments for 6 months, IRS is going to deny your offer and compromise. How much is your tax debt? So your filing history becomes a little important to me. I've got to look at your financial statement first of all to determine whether you're eligible. I do not, if you call me and say you want to file an offer and we get past these first couple points, I have to look at your financial statement to tell you if I want the case, because I never file an offer and compromise unless I know you have a 95% chance of getting that offer accepted. Why do I say 95? Well, when I file an offer, I know it's going to get accepted unless IRS has information about you that you didn't tell me, or you didn't tell me information about you. So once you get past that, you have to look at the size. You have to look at the obstacles of the case. You may say, what's an obstacle? Well, you may value your house at one thing. IRS may come back and value it at another. So IRS may look at the last 3 years average income. You're now fixed in the last year only because you've had a significant drop. So there's certain challenges that an offer and compromise. There's no such thing as a perfect offer. That's the problem. When I get a case, since I know what IRS takes to accept that offer, I have to look at the challenges, and I really make a determination based on the challenges and the work involved. So there really is no set fee. If you call me and say what's it going to cost, I'm never going to be able to tell you. I have to gather all the facts. Then I have to know your offer is going to get accepted. And then at that point, I will tell you what the fee is. What should an offer cost? From a truly legitimate person, anywhere from $7,500 and up. You're going to go to these other places. They may charge you 5, 4, 3. I can tell you these people don't know what they're doing, because I get all the calls of people getting ripped off. Get this all the time. You give someone 6,000, 5,000. You have to know your offer is going to get accepted. So you have to ask. You have to ask, how much is it worth for this debt to go away, from a true expert. That's what I can give you. Anyway, that's who I am. I've been doing this for 51 years, 52 years actually. I am a national expert, and I know the inside of IRS like you know the inside of yourself. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Give me a subscription. I usually answer questions, leave some questions on my YouTube channel, and I try to get to all of them if I can. All depends on the day. Thank you so much.